Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is a reveal. I want to share with you 3 Chanel bags that I purchased pre-loved last year. Like I said earlier, we have a lot of catching up to do. If you follow me on Instagram, and I would love it if you would. If you don't, you will probably have seen all of these bags because I have already used them. However, I have not done a video, so I wanted to share them with you and let you know what they look like, what I don't like. I'll be doing some follow-up videos regarding what fits in the bag, if I want to keep the bag, but for today, I want to share them with you. So let's go ahead and get started. First one is right here, and she did come with a dust bag. Let's go ahead and open her up. And it is this beautiful Chanel triple CC shoulder bag or tote. I absolutely love her. When I saw the reseller show this, I immediately was drawn to it. I really wanted an easy black bag that I could use for work. And this one really ticks all of the boxes. So let me just introduce her. Beautiful caviar leather. As you can see, in excellent condition. Corners are beautiful. Front and back is beautiful. The bottom is just in excellent shape. This bag has a front pocket where you can put your phone or whatever you want. The beautiful 3 CCs at the bottom. And the back is exactly the same. So you get an additional slip pocket and the 3 CCs at the bottom. So it doesn't matter which way you grab her and throw her on your shoulder, you always have the right side up. Another advantage. She has a beautiful zipper at the top with this gorgeous detail. This leather tab with this beautiful ball. It is quilted. It has like the quilts, and then it has a CC on both sides. And it is just a beautiful detail. And as you can see, in excellent shape, no tarnishing, really beautiful. The handles are the chain detail, and then it has a beautiful leather strap. So it's comfortable and it doesn't really slip off of your shoulder. Let's go ahead and open her up. Again, she's got a zipper, which is wonderful. So if you really want to feel secure and you want to make sure that items don't fall out, it is great. And let's check out the inside. I do have her stuffed. And here is the inside, completely leather lined. It has a slip pocket on both sides, and the slip pockets have a beautiful zipper with a gorgeous little CC, which is very difficult for me to show you. Let me see if I can kind of get up there and show you. It's very hard. I don't know that you're going to be able to see, but there is the zippered tab, and it's got the beautiful gold CC, and it's got the detail on both sides. So as you can see, again, mirror each side. This one came with the booklet, and it also came with the card, and it's a 2 series. Easy. You can just throw all your things in there. Everything will fit. And I have really been enjoying wearing her to work. Let me know if you have this bag or have you seen this bag before. But I have been very happy with this bag. Before I show you the next bag, I do want to apologize in advance for the lighting. I promised that I was going to upgrade my equipment, and I did get a brand new ring light, and I think it's much better than what I used to have, but I have no idea if I should be using bright, cool, warm. Therefore, it's going to take me a little while. Feel free to leave your comments down below. Try and take it a little easy. Try and be nice to me. But this video, I'm using a different setting than the last video. You may want to tell me if you like it better or if this is worse. Anyhow, next reveal came with the dust bag, as you can see, vintage. And this I really purchased on an impulse, and I will tell you why. This is a Chanel micro bag, vintage, green lambskin. It's got the 24 karat gold hardware. And as you can see, the lambskin is in beautiful shape. It is not as puffy as she would have been back in the day, but everything else is really pretty nice. There's not scratching, and she has not been repainted. She's got the beautiful CC turn lock and the cross body chain, which is in very, oops, one of my hairs are stuck to it. Okay. She has the cross body chain, which is in really, really nice shape. And this is what it looks like inside. It says Chanel. And then look how cute. Right here on the little inserts, it's got the 2 CCs. The serial number is attached, but really unreadable. Okay. Now, let me tell you why this was an impulse buy. She's an impulse buy because I don't like green. This is not one of my colors. As a matter of fact, I just don't like green. Granted, this is a dark green, therefore I like it a little better. However, really what happened is they were selling a black one, similar. I don't remember exactly by now. This is months ago, 6 months ago, 7 months ago. And I couldn't get it. Somebody else got it. And when this one came up, I just didn't even think about it and I snatched it. I have no idea what I was thinking because it is not black. It is green. It is in beautiful shape. I received the bag and I thought, well, I couldn't return it. I thought, well, okay. And I actually took it on the transatlantic cruise that I took with my husband in late October, November of last year. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen some of my posts. And I did make good use of it because I would always carry this inside of the ship. And it worked out real, real well, even though she was green. Now, I don't know if I'm going to keep her. I've had her for months. I used her during the cruise and she's been sitting in the purse room and I have not used her anymore. Therefore, I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with her, but she is very, very cute. Right. We are down to the last bag. Any guesses based on what I've shown you before? This is a bag that I was wanting to get for a very long time. I kept on looking at it on Fashion File. I saw other resellers. And when this reseller had it, I took the plunge. I will tell you, this is probably the one that I kind of regret the most. And I'll tell you why. This is the Chanel Maxi. She is vintage, obviously. Lambskin, has the big CC energy with the big CC turn lock at the front, 24 karat gold. Her shape, she's in decent shape. As you can see. So the outside is in nice shape. Obviously, it's not poofy, which I don't expect. But this is what she looks like on the outside. Now, let's check out the inside. Before we check out the inside, one more comment. I was dying to get this. I wanted the big CC. This was 7 months ago. Now I don't know if I want the big CC, but anyhow, so turn lock clasp. It's in beautiful shape. I mean, it has some scuffs here. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's got some scuffing, not a lot. The hardware is in very, very good shape, so you can see. Now, the interior is in good shape, but it does have scratches and a few, I would say, does it have like a mark? It just has scratches in there. The serial number is there. I don't remember what series this is. I'll have to let you know because I couldn't really, it was hard for me to see and I don't remember. The chain is what's not in great shape. I mean, the gold is all, looks nice. But if you see, this actually needs to be put in place and probably sewn in. See that? If you can see here, this is what the chain looks like. So it's in okay shape. This is the back of the bag. It's got the Mona Lisa pocket right here. And so, yeah, the good thing about the bag is that it's huge. You can put whatever you want in there. And I love big bags. Therefore, I was happy about that. And I have used her, not a ton, but I've used her. And I've actually used her for work because you can fit, again, whatever you want. But I am not so sure about this one. Let me know what you think. Are you over the big CCs or are you happy with the big CCs? I'm thinking if I'm going to keep her, she's going to have to go to the leather surgeon because she does look a little battered. Well, friends, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I totally forgot to tell you, if you haven't been here before, my name is Isabel. If you have been here previously watching my videos, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you soon. Bye.